smart that can actually get this question right. So, if you think you're smart, solve this and drop the answer in the comments, okay? Welcome. Welcome, guys. So, how smart are you? Welcome. If you are just joining, double tap on your screen. How smart are you? Drop your answers in the comments. What do you think is the answer to this algebraic question? Okay, how smart are you? Drop your answers in the comment. Do well to drop your answers in the comments. I'm waiting for you guys. Let me see some smart people in the world today. Double tap on your screen if you're just joining. Welcome to my live. Double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen if you're just joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Double tap on your screen if you're just joining. And how smart are you? So drop your answers in the comments. Let me see some smart people in the world today. Drop your answers in the comment. Welcome to my live. Welcome, welcome. So where are the smart people in the house? Where are the smart people in the house? Drop your answers. Drop your answers. Drop your answers. Drop your answers. So Benjamin is one of the smart people in the world, but I'm sorry, your answer is not correct. So you have to do it again. Okay? I have to do it again. Do it again, do it again. But besides, you can tell us, give me an explanation. How did you get 43 over 8? And who is this next person? Okay, sorry, I can't get your name, but you said 34. 34 is very close to the answer. You guys are trying. I think there are some smart people in the world. Like I said, it is only 1% of smart people that can actually get this correctly. So go back to your workbook and do it again. 1376. Jesus, how did you get your own? How did you get to 1376? Tell us in the comments. What's her name? Michi. Michi, yes. Michi. So Michi, tell us, how did you get 137.6? 130. Anyway, 1376. I'm so sorry, guys. Michi, how did you get 1376? That is way out of it. Like I said, only 1% of smart people can actually get this. So go back to your notes and do it again. Bracket. Okay, Michi. Hi, Michi. Bracket, exponent, division, multiplication, addition. Okay, I understand you. But you should know that you said 34. This KREEP guy, you said 34. Let me give you an explanation. That ratio sign you are seeing there is division. So I don't want to expose the answer. I understand you are saying bracket, exponential, yes. So since the ratio sign is division, 72 plus 42 has to be on the top, and 7 minus 5 times 8 has to be at the bottom. So with this expo that I've given to you, go back to your notes and do it again, okay? person said 34. So somebody is agreeing with sorry, I can't get your name. Is it Creep? Kreep. I'm sorry. Someone else is saying 34. The answer is not 34, you guys. It's not 34. Work it again. Work it again. Honestly, it's not 34. It is not 1408. Work it again. Okay? Look at your notes very well. Understand the concept of mathematics and work it again. That's why I said that it is only 1% of smart people that can do this actually. Only because if you look at this, it's just simple plus and multiplication stuff. Okay. 4 wait. 7 24. 2 plus 2 minus 40 equal minus 10. Jesus. Okay. 2 plus 2 minus 40 equal 10. Let me give you guys another example. You see this ratio, these two dots, these 2 points you are seeing there, it means division. You cannot get a negative sign in this question. Sorry, 72 plus 2 minus 40. Where are you even getting 40 from? Do you know what BODMAS is called? If you know BODMAS, you will to do this. Okay, it seems like you're missing something. It's so funny that are you people studying your books at all? This is oh my god. That's not correct, kid. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40. Yes, I agree. But that is not what is supposed to come. Okay. Kid, you are kind of making some sense. Let me check again. That's 86. 5. That's 2. Right? What is it called? Okay. This is 3. First division, then multiplication, and then okay, yes, you're very correct. But what is your final answer? Now you said 72 plus 2 minus 40. So what's your final answer? Drop your final answer, because the final answer is not minus 36. The final answer is not minus 36. So what's your final answer, kid? 74 minus 40. Okay, wait. 4. That's 74 minus 40 is not minus 36. That will give you 34. And the answer is not 34. It's still not correct. Only the 1% smart person that can get this question. My goodness. Where are you chatting? See, anybody that can get it, prove your country. Where are you chatting from? It is not 34 is not the answer, K. The answer is not 34. Okay, let me give you 1 point. You're actually correct when you said this minus 36. The answer is going to get a negative sign, but it is not minus 36. 36. So Benjamin, which was one of the first people that dropped their answer, was very close, 43/8. But that's not the answer. That's not the answer also. It is 34 if represents a division. I wish I could show you guys the answer. This thing is a game, and I don't want to. It's not 34. Do your calculation very well. It's not 34. You are going to get a negative according to Cade, but it is not 34. Skylar, it is not 34. 1,370 is very far, and that is totally wrong. Okay, somebody is getting it. Kid is getting it. Can understand. So drop your answer. What did you get? I think somebody is very close to getting the answer. What did you get? Why is everybody done the cool? It is not 34. If you are just joining, please double tap on your screen. Okay, double tap on your screen. Dan cool. It is not 34. Fin. Okay, 5 points. No, that's not the answer. Hi, Fin. I cannot pronounce your name. I'm sorry, but hi. It is not 5.3, 5 points, whatever. It is not. Kate, are you still with us? Hi again, Fine. Finnegan. Oh, that's your name, Finnegan. Hi, welcome. Double tap on your screen if you're just joining. So what's your answer? The answer is not 5.37. Only 1% of smart people can actually do this. How smart are you? Prove your country, okay? If you're commenting from India, please comment that you are from India and put your answer. Let me see the smartest people. Up and down, turn around. 552. I'm sorry, that's not the answer. It's totally wrong. Okay, someone is actually Kate now. Exactly. Kate, you are doing the work, okay? Kate, I don't want you to. Oh my goodness, Kate is exposing the answer and the procedure to getting this. Oh my god. The Uber Dark, it is 34. You are just trying to keep us here and interact. Give the answer then. It is not. This is a game. Okay, so prove it. Like, I'm talking to a kid and he's very close to getting the answer. I'm not keeping anybody here, but it is not 34. I'm very sincere. It is not 34. The Uber Dark, it is not 34. Okay, so do very well. Go back to your notes. And what is pendamis? Nicholas Pendames. Are you trying to say body mass? Why is everybody saying 34? It is not 34. What is going on? No, it is not 30. Are you trying to guess answer? Okay, who is this? Ghost. It is not 30. Only 1% of smart people can actually do this. Minus 1. It is going to carry a negative sign, yes, but it is not 126. The Uber Dark. I don't know how will I explain this to you. 14/7. Why are you separating? One thing you should understand, the Uber Dark, listen, 72 plus 14 is an expression. 7 minus 5 times 8 is a different expression on its own. So you cannot separate 14/7 to give you. So where are you putting? Where is this plus coming from? The Uber Dark, you see it now. You said you're not the one that said I was keeping you here. You're not getting the right procedure to arriving at the answer. That is just it. And I don't know how to explain to you. What is this? Tash shared. Oh my god. Hi, welcome to my live. Double tap on your screen, okay? Double tap on your screen. Right, so you don't understand the order. The Uber that I understand the order of. I understand the order of the solution, but you yourself, you do not understand the order of the solution. That is the reason why you're getting the wrong answer, and I'm not here to tell you the right answer. I want you to figure it out yourself. Anyways, if you are going by blue, are you what are you? Easy K off. Okay, drop your answer. Minus 33. Okay, some 86. 86. Somebody is close. Wait, Peter Pan. 86 over, I think your ratio should mean division, right? So 86 ratio minus 33. Check your 33 very well. It is not 33. Your 86 is correct, but it's not 33. Check again. Peter Pan, check again. You're very close to the answer. 86 ratio minus 30, but it's not minus 30, it's minus something, but not 33. Check again. Check yours, Peter Pan. Peter Pan is very close to the answer, and I would like to know your country. Where are you commenting from? Let me know where the smartest people are. Chrism, did you just copy Peter Pan? Did you just copy Peter Pan? That's correct. 86 is correct, but it is not minus 33. So check again. Okay. 14 minus. Oh, you're right. You guys are right. 86 minus 33. That's the answer. You're right. I just checked now. So that's the answer. That's correct. Yes, Chrism, you're right. Proper order, yes. You're right. Proper order, yes. According to Bodmas, you have to multiply first. That's the problem. That's what I was trying to tell this other guy. What's his name? The Uber Dark. But he was saying I was not saying the right thing. Proper order to getting the answer. So some persons are actually getting the answer, right? So comment your country, comment where you are commenting from. Let me know where. Before I go, you divide and multiply first from the left to right. The Uber Dark, watch people on the top. 2 person got the answer. If you follow the right procedure, the right order, you're going to get the answer. So don't try and make me feel like I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, Peter Pan, you're right. You're correct. So comment your country. I want to know where the smart people are. Comment your country. Don't tap on your screen, please. Comment your Peter Pan and this other guy. It's not 34. Calculate. Peter Pan, tell me your country. Where are you? Oh, I'm proud of you too. But you not told me where you're coming from. Where you're coming from? What country are you? Let me know where smart people are found. Not 44, wrong. 44 is wrong. Prankster, 44 is wrong. Hello, Finnegan. Hi. Welcome. If you are just joining, double tap on your screen. How smart are you? What's your answer? Prankster, the answer is not 44. Crash out. The answer is not 91. Finnegan, I don't miss you. For Limao, prankster. You see where you are getting it wrong? This ratio sign is not division. Bloom, this division you put in between the 14 and 7 is totally wrong. This ratio means division, so work it again. This is a wrong order. Bloom says Cade, you see Cade equal to, Cade order is correct. So Bloom, check out Cade order. That is the right order. It's not 40, it's not 34. Finnegan, are you just guessing answer? Go and work, carry paper and a pen and write down. It's not 64. Gian is not 64, okay? I'll be right back. Let me go get some water. Mark Reynolds is not 48. Let me go get some water. I'm very tasty. I am back. Ryan Macron is not 34. 34 is not the answer. That's the way. Bloom say, okay, if you say that's the way, that then fine. I don't want to argue with anybody anymore, but that's not correct. But that's 67. Only 3 persons have gotten the answer. Christian, Peter Pan, and one other guy. It's not 34. I am a math teacher in Germany. It is 34 for sure. Okay, maybe I am from Nigeria, so I don't know. Probably we teach in a different way, because the procedure with which Bloom, I'm talking to you right now, the procedure with which you solve it is not a correct procedure. The ratio sign means division. You cannot just automatically put a line in between a ratio sign and automatically call it a division sign. It is not done here in Nigeria. So I don't know, maybe that's how you guys teach in Germany. Smacking in our ears. I don't understand. What do you mean by smacking in our ears? Sherry. Exactly. Bloom, that is what I'm saying. You see what you are doing right now. Bloom, let's not argue, okay? If you think 34 is the answer, then fine, so be it. Because 7 minus 5 times 8 is an expression of its own. You cannot just automatically put brackets in it. That is totally wrong. These two dots you are seeing after the 14, Bloom, it is a ratio sign, not a division sign. Fenigan, bye. Thanks for joining. Hope you double tap on your screen before you left. It's not 39. Lamas is not 39, it's not 40. Stephen is not wanted. Oh, Remy, oh, Osofumi is not 104. Again, Finnegan, I thought he said bye. It is not 34. What are the two dots? The two dots is a ratio sign. That's way too easy. And I'm suck a mass. I am right, you're wrong. Finnegan, okay, if you say I'm wrong, that's fine also. You need to go as, oh my god. I need to go back to high school, you don't mean it. I hear you. Finnegan, if I need to go back to high school, that means you need to go back to KG1 because 34 is not the answer. Shamilandia, 344. It is not 344. Everybody keeps saying 34. Me, I don't know where they get 34 from. The answer will not be 34. I swear, Finnegan helped me to ask him, but how did he get 344? Oh, I'm tired of you people writing. Who is this person? See, it's 34,393. Now for you. Finnegan, cute girl, yes, she's very beautiful. Double tap on your screen. We have 195 people in this live. Double tap on your screen. Oh, it is not 34. This girl sounds so dumb. Jesus. Oh my god. You that is saying I sound so dumb. Do you know how you sound saying that? Okay. Someone else has gotten the answer right in front of your noses. You people that are doing solving what I don't know there. If you type rubbish in calculator will give you answer. So you are the one, you need to know the right order and procedure. You need to know the right order and procedure. Somebody just got the answer. I don't want to mention the person's name so that people will not go and copy. People that are saying this is the right order, you need to go back to primary school. I mean, you need to go back to kindergarten. Somebody just got the answer in your faces. People are writing any answer. Na no notebook. It is not bed mass, it is board mass. So you don't even know what board mass is, and you're telling me that mine is not correct, my answer is not correct, and you don't even know what is board mass. You're saying bed mass. You see yourself. I'm not saying the answer. Get it. That is why it is a game. How smart are you? 4 persons have gotten the answers correct. How many people have dropped comments in this section? Today, like I said in the title, it is only 1% of smart people that can get this. Somebody else have gotten the answer, but I will not mention the name. You are smart, you are smart. So 5 people have gotten the answer. It is not minus 36, it is not 58. It is not 179, it is not 32. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Carol, please Aunt Sally. It is not 34 for crying out loud. Do you people make a covenant with 34? I just got into a Jesus. What do I do? You just got into a car accident. Andy, you are very close to the answer, but that's not correct. Please, I wish you safe recovery. Please go to the nearby hospital if you have any injury. And why are you on your phone while you are driving? That's not safe, you know that, right? 67. What is 67? 67 is not the answer. Six seven is not the answer. 34 is not the answer. Somebody just got the answer. Somebody just got the answer. Is an alternative to division. If so, is 34. Verbatim. It is not 34. You think it is 67. Did you solve it? Get a paper and a pen and write it out. It is not 110. It is not 67. Okay. Would. So it's. Oh, somebody just did. Okay. Would get you 344, but you did not put the brackets. So in this case, as you put it, is 34 confirmed by computer. You are going to ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will no notebook. You see where you made a mistake, Gaba. Let me tell you something. When using board mass, your bracket multiplication comes before subtraction. So this bracket you put 7 minus 5 is wrong. It is not 7 minus. What you are supposed to bracket is 5 times 8, because according to board mass, multiplication comes before subtraction. You see the mathematical order and procedure. If you give computer a wrong thing, it's going to give you a wrong answer. That is one thing you should know. If you input rubbish to ChatGPT will give you rubbish as an answer, and it will tell you that yes, that rubbish it gave to you is the correct answer. I bet my car is 67. Who is this person? If you are betting your car and you are saying it's 67, then you are going to lose your car. I promise you that. It's not 130. Show me this 34. Make coming now with 34. Why are they do 34, 34, 34? Oh my god. 14 ratio 7. 14 ratio 7 is a ratio. Yes, that's a ratio, but that's not how you put it. Oh. It is only, I think, 6 persons that have gotten the correct answer. Double tap on your screen. Ghana, Liberia, or Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. It is not minus. It's not minus. It's not minus 34. First division and then multiplication and then add. I beg. All these people saying 34. I'm not answering people again. I know it's 67, but I'll play doing. What do you know Yoruba or Igbo? No, I am an Urobo. I'm not Yoruba or Igbo. I am an Urobo. Are you from Nigeria? Are you a Nigerian? I don't know what your name is. So is it Digaf? People, it's not 110. Don't go and tell people wrong answer. I know Whiskey and Burna Boy. Oh, I don't do secular songs. I don't sing Whiskey or Burna Boy. I don't do, it's not 102. 34, am I correct? No, you're not correct. $32, wrong. I'll be right back, guys. It, it is not 36. It is not 36. It's 14. This procedure, come on, you all. Me too. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name very well. What does press? It means division. As someone who is smart and is very good in math, I'm not supposed to be telling you that too. It means division. In this expression of mathematics, you're supposed to have a numerator and a denominator. That is why you're a mathematics student, Andy. If there are no brackets anywhere, there are places where you should put brackets. That is the reason why you have board mass. Board mass tells you if you have an expression of multiple numbers. If you have 10 plus 5 plus 8 minus 13 minus 4 times 9, board mass helps you to tell where to put a bracket. Do you understand? Brackets are inferred. It's not 34, it's not 30. Double tap on your screen. We have 127 point this live. Double tap on your screen, okay, guys? Double tap on your screen. Which is not 34. I don't know, like 500. It is not 34. The answer is not 34. Hi, Stephen. Hi, Stephen. Does the colon symbol mean division? Yes, it means division. It means division in such a way when you say 1 over 2 or 3 over 5. That over, that is what that column symbol mean. It is not 558. Wrong answer. Okay, man. It is not 600. Are you trying to guess something? It is, oh my goodness. It is not 34. Bonjour, response. Bonjour. How do you say good afternoon in French? I used to do French when I was in secondary school. Though. It is not 34. Oh my god. I'm tired of people dropping 34. I just want to make it lively. It's a math problem, not a sentence. Sequence is multiply, divided, add, and subtract. Okay. So what's the final one? Is 2.6 minus 2.6. Oh, okay. What's this person's name? May also. Is it Moso? Sorry, I can't get your name. 17 plus 14. Okay, ratio. Okay. 86. Okay, somebody just got the answer. I can't pronounce your name. I don't know if it's more so P. Oh my goodness, your name is so hard. Your name is so hard. It is not 43. It is not 632. It is not 34. Oh yeah, plus 2. It is not 34. Okay, another person just got the answer. The lady with red hair. You're so beautiful. Is this Amy? Amy call Amy what? I'm sorry I can't get your name very well. But your answer is correct, Amy. You look really pretty. Why are these smart people calculating? They changed the order. The 7 switched position. How the 7 switch position now? No, now the seven, if the seven switch position, you will not get a positive answer. Look at it, very, it is 86 ratio minus 33. So if the seven changes position, you will get a wrong answer. So it cannot, if you switch, nothing should switch position. Why are this okay? It is not 71.6. It is not 48 either, Perez. Your name is Ma. Come to my life again. If you want another math question, you'll come to my life again tomorrow by 12 p.m. 12 noon Nigerian time. I'll give you another one. 3. It is not 34. Between 14 and 7, is that sign ratio or division? Okay, good night. The good night, my soul. It is not 34. It is a ratio. It is a ratio. You that is asking is ratio. It is not 34. Oh, now they solve any thing for them. It's not. Double tap on your screen. Double tap. We have 155 people in this live. Double tap on your screen, okay? It is not 34. Okay. Amazon, you actually got the answer and you look quite cute. Who again? Minus 33. Okay, Perez, that's correct. Amazon. Oh, thanks for the heart. Double tap on your screen, guys. Almost 2 hours. That's something much already. This is a full day now. Wealthy man. Answer equal since it is already in the simplest form. Okay, you're correct, wealthy man. It is not 58.24. It is not my okay. Okay, is it Niyi? Niyi minus 2.60 is also correct because you simplified it to the lowest form. Elvis, Abi, it is not 34, it is not 27.71, it is not.